take a look at this 2009 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Removable top car. It does have the solid painted to match removable top. As you can also see, is the forged chrome wheels it's riding on with practically new Continental Extreme contact radials. Underneath the hood, of course, in the 2009s, LS3 powered. Underneath there, 400 horse engine. Now this car is in the crystal red, which was also an upcharge. On the window sticker, there's a couple little touch-up spots, if I can get them to show up right there. Other than that, very clean car, considering this car would be 11 years old. Not a real high mile car either. Right at that 30,000 range. When I get around to the driver's side, we'll fire it up. I'll show you the odometer. You can also check out the still pictures. I have the miles in there. The underside of the car, engine bay, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pics. And of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. Also, if you notice, if you're looking at the chrome wheels, you can see the drilled rotors. This car does have the Z51 package to it. That LS3 is paired with an automatic transmission. It'd be the 6-speed with paddle shift on the steering wheel. Of course, all your goodies as far as power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, all underneath the hood. Beige interior. Now, as far as Carfax in this vehicle, clean, no accidents indicated, no signs of paint work. We had this car here, it's been a few years back now, sold it to a good customer of ours. And just one of those, it's time for him to move on to something else. So he brought it back and it's now available to purchase. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. You can tell this car's been well taken care of. And again, clean Carfax, clean title in hand. Adult owned and driven, like I said, well maintained. A few of the options on this, we hit the Z51, does have the removable roof panel. I also would have the 273 rear axle ratio. Cars do extremely well going down the highway as far as economy wise, considering you get a 400 horse engine underneath that hood. Very nice cruisers and economical. Now, as far as stereo wise, you can see the steering wheel controls for volume, presets on the radio. Over here in the door, you can have your locks, mirrors, windows. Interior wise, also nice shape. Is carpeting, one kind of just little wear spot here and one small one down there on the seat, but overall very nice interior. Also, let's go ahead and start it up, check those exact miles. You don't have to listen to the dinging here. All right, 38. I knew it was just over 30,000, so 38,397. Dual climate control. AM, FM, CD player. You can see how nice a shape the dash is in, not cracked, not sun faded, any sort of signs of wear there. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Everything that I can see in this car as far as under the hood, underside of the car, appears pretty stock, no crazy loudmouth exhaust on there, anything like that. Very tidy engine bay too. And remember, you can check out those underside pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to get you right to our website. I'm going to pop this hood a second. Now take a look at how clean the hood liner is also. You can tell this thing hasn't been driven in any amount of inclement weather where you're going to get the stained, grind, dirty on that hood liner, one of the telltale signs. I've had this question come up in the past. Up here we can see this inner. Yes, that's gray. That is factory. That's the way the car came. There's your LS3. 100 horse V8 underneath there. Here how smooth it runs. Intake, no cold air intake added, anything like that. Just a stock, darn nice 2009 Chevrolet Corvette, about 38,000 miles on it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see the still pictures of this, and there's probably a good 80-90 pictures of it online. Click down on the link in the description below this video. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.